Smart glasses are exploding in 2025, and honestly, if you haven't been paying attention, you're missing the biggest tech shift happening right now. These aren't those old clunky prototypes we used to laugh at. Note. We now have full-blown AI-powered computers sitting right on your face, delivering instant information, hands-free control, real-time navigation, first-person recording, and some of the most impressive displays we've ever seen in a wearable. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button if you love future tech, and let's break down the absolute best AI smart glasses that are dominating 2025. First up, we have the Oakley Meta glasses, and these things are a perfect marriage between performance and intelligence. Oakley is already the king of sports eyewear, but when you combine that iconic rugged design with Meta's next-gen AI features, you get a pair of glasses that look stylish but function like a tiny supercomputer. You get a crystal-clear 3K camera for insanely clean POV videos, open-ear speakers for music and calls, and water resistance so you can wear them during workouts or rainy day runs. But the real flex here is Meta's AI assistant, built right in answering questions, giving updates, helping you navigate your day without ever touching your phone. And with up to 8 hours of use and 19 hours of standby, these glasses are built for people who want to stay active, connected, and hands-free from morning to night. Coming in at around $399 to $499, they're expensive. Yes, but genuinely one of the best smart eyewear releases of the year. Next are the Even G1 smart glasses. And these are a dream come true for anyone who wants prescription-ready AR without bulky VR-style headsets. Instead of overwhelming you with unnecessary visuals, the G1 gives you clean, bright micro-OLED displays right inside the lenses. Powered by a powerful optical engine that makes text, icons, and overlays incredibly sharp. The AI is surprisingly fast, around 3 to 6 seconds, 4 responses, and it's perfect for real-time translation, heads-up directions, or even using as a teleprompter if you're filming videos or giving presentations. These glasses look like regular modern frames, but act like a personal digital layer on top of the real world. Early 2025 is their moment, and honestly, once people start using them, they're going to wonder how they ever lived without this kind of intelligent vision. Let's talk Xiaomi, because when Xiaomi enters a category, they don't just participate, they disrupt. Their new AI glasses bring a powerful camera, a responsive voice assistant, featherlight frame, and one of the longest battery lives we've ever seen in this space. You're getting a 12-megapixel wide-angle camera for first-person photography and 2K video. Open-ear audio with multiple microphones for crystal-clear calls, and touch controls right on the frame for easy interaction. But the star of the show is battery life over 8.5 hours on a single charge. That is absolutely wild compared to its competitors. Add an optional electrochromic lenses for auto-tinting and a sleek design available in multiple colors. And Xiaomi's glasses instantly become one of the most practical and user-friendly pairs dropping this year. If you're more into entertainment and immersive experiences, the Viture Pro XR glasses are basically a movie theater you can wear. These glasses are all about visuals. They create a massive, private 135-inch screen that floats right in front of you, powered by insanely bright Sony micro-OLED panels. Whether you're gaming, watching movies, or streaming content, everything looks sharp, vibrant, and buttery smooth thanks to a 120 Hz refresh rate. They even convert to D videos into 3D on the spot, which is absolutely crazy. Built with titanium hinges and an aluminum frame, they feel premium and durable while still being light on your face. If you're tired of big VR headsets but still want cinematic experiences, these glasses are the upgrade you've been waiting for. Then we have the X-Real one, which is designed to make augmented reality feel simple and accessible instead of overwhelming. These glasses use XREAL's new X1 chip, and their Optic Engine 3.02 delivers smoother head tracking, brighter visuals, and more responsive AR interactions. The displays are sharp, fluid, and easy on the eyes. And the electrochromic dimming is a surprisingly useful feature, lets you instantly darken the lenses for a clearer AR view outdoors or in bright spaces. They're lightweight, comfortable, and come with a Pro version that expands the field of view for even more immersive visuals. Whether you want to watch videos on a floating virtual screen or explore AR apps, the XREAL one gives you that futuristic feel without the complexity of bigger AR headsets. Finally, the Rokit AR Spatial is the productivity beast of this entire list. While other glasses focus on cameras or entertainment, Rokit built a portable workspace you can wear anywhere. These glasses let you open multiple virtual monitors in the air, giving you a full desktop-like setup on the go. The 300-inch virtual screen is perfect for multitasking, working on documents, coding, designing, or watching movies through Android TV. With powerful onboard hardware, a dedicated controller, excellent micro-OLED panels, and a strong 5,000 mAh battery, the Rokit Spatial is made for professionals, students, and digital nomads who want serious power in a tiny package. They're lightweight, feature-packed, and surprisingly affordable for what they offer. So there you have it, 6 of the most impressive AI smart glasses shaping the future in 2025. Whether you want powerful AI, cinematic entertainment, hardcore productivity tools, or stylish everyday wear, this year's lineup is absolutely stacked. If you're planning to buy any of these, check the links in the description, hit the like button if you found this helpful, and let me know in the comments which pair you'd rock in your daily life. Thanks for watching, and welcome to the future of wearable tech.